Hello.
How are you? Perhaps you're wondering who we are.
Hey, I'm wondering who we are.
No, you're not. I'm Claude Mann. I'm the TBS food guy, and I'm the chef of the TBS Dinner and a Movie every Friday night on the Superstation.
That's right.
And this is Larry de la Guardia.
Hello.
Larry helps me around the kitchen.
Whenever I can.
That's right. Perhaps you're wondering what we're doing here.
Hey, I'm wondering what we're doing here.
No, you're not.
I know.
We're here to watch Blazing Saddles.
That's right.
1974, classic. Probably the highest grossing Western of all time.
Of course, starring Mel Brooks, Cleavon Little, Harvey Korman, Slim Pickens.
Madeleine Kahn.
That's right.
And in honor of the movie, we're making Wilder West Chili with Madeleine con Carne.
Oh, I see what you did.
That's what we do on the show.
How do you do it?
Well, we always, on Friday nights, we watch a great movie, and we cook a great meal that's somehow been inspired by the movie. When we watched Fame, what did we make?
We made,
I want liver forever. I want to learn how to fry.
That's right.
Can't you see that's the last act of a desperate man?
And when we watch 9 to 5,
Male Chauvinist Pig.
I am depressed.
that's right.
That
That's
one I
what we
remember.
do, and that's what you can do too. We're going to watch a movie. We're going to make some great food together, and to do that, you're going to need to pull out the recipe that you got with the video
Excuse me while I whip this out.
and go through very quickly. We're going to need some things for the recipe. We're going to need
Beans!
and celery and crushed tomatoes and
Beans!
onions and peppers and
Beans!
and beer and beef and stock and a lot of other things.
Beans!
That's it. Chili spices. You're going to need a lot of great chili spices, not just a jar of chili powder. That's how you make good chili.
Yeah.
And
Beans!
of course, skirt steak. Larry loves beans, by the way, and ground pork. So come on back. Put the machine on pause. We're going to cook a great meal together.
Yes, here we
Ready?
go.
1, 2, 3.
Beans!
Beans and cornbread. Beans and cornbread. Beans and cornbread.
Oh, good, you're back. You caught us. We started without you. We just wanted to start browning the meat. Now, it's very important when you do cook meat in any recipe, not just this recipe, that when it says to saute or to brown, don't crowd the pan.
Yeah, don't. Hey,
No,
I'm in your
no,
way.
no, that means don't put too much of whatever you're cooking in the pan, because otherwise, what'll happen, it's going to steam instead of brown, and you're not going to get the nice flavors from browning the meat. Go ahead and put that in
Yeah,
there.
give me this. Thank you.
Very good. We're using 2 skillets. We're browning in one. We're actually going to cook all the chili in the cast iron Dutch oven.
That smells
Okay,
real
pour the grease out. Very good.
Right.
Next step, garlic,
Garlic.
onion,
Love garlic. Love onions.
jalapeno. Smell that. Get a smell of it. Isn't that great?
Hello, onions.
There we go.
How do?
Stir that around. It's just going to get coated with a little bit of the oil. Then we're going to roast the spices. We've got the sage, the coriander, the cumin,
Yes.
the oregano.
Look at you. Hello.
Here we go. Oh, we've got here the chili powder.
Hello, chili powder.
And the cayenne. We're going to use a lot. We like it
how
hot.
do,
Now stir it
cayenne.
around and get a smell of that. See how that smells?
that's
Isn't that great?
Yeah, it's gonna be
The
strong.
flavors from
wasn't
all
it?
the spices, they roast. As they roast, the flavors come out. It
smells
makes
good.
it much, much richer and much better. The next thing we're going to be adding is the bell pepper,
Hello, Belle.
celery.
Reckon you wandered in, celery.
That's
Hey.
the tomato. And the roasted peppers.
Nice.
Stir those all around.
Yes.
Transfer those now to the Dutch oven.
Is that good enough?
That's beautiful.
Okay.
You're a natural.
Thank you, Claude.
Okay.
Ain't so bad yourself.
Pull the oven up here.
Right here like that?
Just like that.
Excellent.
The next step, beer.
Cerveza.
Beef stock. And you could make this yourself or buy canned beef broth and still be great.
Very nice.
And
Ooh,
of
look at
course,
that. Beans!
that's right. 1, 2.
Can't have enough. Give me another one.
Okay, more beans.
Hey, you know that one scene from Blazing Saddles where all the cowboys are sitting around the campfire and they're eating beans and they're all
Oh, yeah. Actually, that's why I wrote this recipe.
Hey, that's right. I didn't even think of that. You're a genius, Claude.
No.
Oh, what a nice guy.
But actually,
Yes, you
had they
are.
decided to soak their beans, they probably wouldn't have had that problem. Because if you do soak beans, what happens is a lot of the compounds that cause all the turbulence, gastrointestinal turbulence, will go out in the water. And then you can just pour the water out, or you could save it and serve it to your mother
Mother.
or your mother-in-law.
Oh, okay.
Kinky.
Well, I can see that, but tell me this, cowboy. Why would you want to remove all that fabulous stuff from a bean?
I don't know. What you want to remember now is go ahead and bring this to a boil and then turn it down to a simmer. Don't let it boil long, and let it cook for at least 45 minutes. And it's going to be fantastic.
I'm glad we didn't remove the stuff from Arby's. Hey, I got one for you. See if you can figure this one out. Hey, where are the white beans at?
We didn't use any in the recipe. I just had the...
No, it's from the movie.
Hey, boys, where are the white women at?
It says it a little differently, but it smells good.
It does smell good. Look at that. That's cooked for just about 45 minutes now. You could cook it for longer if you wanted to, but this looks perfect. What I did was I put in a little bit of masa harina, which is tortilla flour. It'll thicken it right up almost instantaneously, and it also gives it some richness, gives it some nice flavor.
That looks really, really good, Claude. Can I have my bowl?
Yes, you may.
I'm sorry, but I'm
Does
so
Mongo
excited.
like chili?
Mongo like candy.
Mongo love chili.
Mongo get chili.
I'm so excited about this movie. Mel Brooks, my favorite guy.
Also, Richard Pryor was one of the writers on Blazing Saddles.
Oh, wait, I forgot something. Hold on. Throw out your hands, stick out your tush, hands on your hips, give them a push.
You'll be surprised you're doing the French mistake. Voila!
I gotta get the hats. Here's yours. Okay, cowpoke.
Thank you very much.
Here's mine.
You know the character that Mel Brooks plays, Le Pétomane? There's a real character in France that would do whole stage shows at the Opera House, just passing gas and making melodies.
You're kidding me.
I don't want to give you any ideas.
Maybe I should try that. God knows I have the instrument.
Ditto.
Do you have your condiments?
I am ready.
Do you have your spoon?
I am ready.
Do you have your hat?
I am ready.
Let's go.
Let's go. Yeah!
Give him a number 6.
Those are really good.
The Dinner and a Movie video series is brought to you by the good people at Shake and Bake. Look for it at your local grocer.